In this video, I'm sharing with you a powerful energetic method for mastering public speaking. I have utilized this method to go from being terrified of speaking in front of audiences to now speaking in front of audiences. I have utilized this particular method for going from being worried about the way that I spoke, being worried about speaking English as a second language with an accent and all that, to now very much effortlessly making videos like this for thousands of people in the world. And now I'm excited to share a review. Stay tuned. My name is Dihessa Bodjona. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here for a while, if you are new here, I'm so glad you have found us. On this channel, I share everything energy, bioenergy, energy field, and also mindset for manifesting the desires of your heart in your life and business. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I post a new video. So public speaking for me, you have no idea how terrifying it was for me, right? Actually, I was so shy for the longest time in my life, so shy that oftentimes when I would meet somebody who I wasn't very familiar with, I couldn't have like straightforward conversation because I was in my head a lot, right? So I got this question in my last retreat in Sedona from one of the participants. She shared with me how like even though like she knew, like she was asked to do a presentation at work, and even though she really prepared for it, she prepared all the slides and she got ready for it all, and she knew what it is that, like, it wasn't like she didn't know like what she was going to do the presentation on. Like intellectually she knew everything, but then once she got in front of the group she was going to do the presentation for, like everything were like crazy in her head and she couldn't keep up with herself anymore, right? So here's the thing about public speaking that I have come to realize, whether it's publicly or whether you're doing a video like I'm doing now, or whether like no matter what situation it is that you are presenting or sharing something verbally with others, it is really all about energy, right? So literally when we are in front of people, like if you are in front of 50 people, if you are in front of 100 people, they are looking at you, right? They are looking at you. Literally, their eyes being on you means they are sending a ton of energies coming towards you, right? Through their eyes, through their eyes and through their attention, a lot of energy is being poured towards you, the person that is in front of them, right? And so what happens is that when that's happening, if you've done this before, if you've experienced this before, you feel like a lot of things are happening in your body, in your body, like a lot of weird things are happening in your body. You feel nervous, you feel excited, you feel all these things. And because the real issue here is that because we do not know how to manage that energy that is coming towards us, we start in our mind thinking that it is a bad thing. We start thinking that we shouldn't be feeling this way. I'm so nervous. We start labeling it as this way. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, I'm going to mess up and all this thing. And then energy obviously is, when we're there, energy is way up here. Like all the energy shoots all to the head and we lose pretty much our mind. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one thing that I started doing. I started doing when I learned about energy, and then once I started doing presentations in front of people, I have practiced this over and over and over and over again. I'm going to like kind of introduce the principles of chakras, like energy centers in your body. So what I have learned to do that has gotten me out of my head, right? It literally, instead of the energy being up here and us losing our mind and calculating and then we don't know what to do anymore, like we pull energy down, and the energy that's coming from your audience, like you receive it in your gut, simply by putting your attention there, by pulling your attention in your gut area. If you feel like you need to activate that gut area, the one thing that you can do is literally just focus on your breathing in your lower abdomen, or you can also move your gut. Literally just move your gut in and out. Move your gut in and out. as you are receiving all the energy from everybody looking at you. So you receive that energy inside of your gut by your attention being inside of your gut. When you do that, you see that literally your nerves will come down. Which, by the way, the other thing I want to say about this, it's also about how we label this, right? The energy of nervousness, right, and the energy of feeling excited have like about the same kind of frequency, if you want to say, look at it that way, right? So if like now when I start feeling all these things in my body, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm feeling excited, or a lot of things are going to happen for me. Like there's a lot of things that are happening beyond this particular moment, right? But if we keep labeling it, oh, this is bad, then it's just our mind goes somewhere else. So step number one, and really understand that feeling those nerves, and it's simply because all that energy is coming towards you, and it's completely normal, and you can actually shift it to it being, oh, I'm so excited this is happening, right? And accept that this is not an abnormal thing that's happening in your body, and then bring your mind in your gut area, and then receive the energy that's being brought to you from their eyes into your gut. Now the next level, which changed everything for me, is when I receive that energy inside of my gut, I intentionally move that energy up to my heart, and from my heart share that energy to the audience in front of which you are speaking. This is so powerful. So it gets you out of your head and into your heart. Everything changes. A lot of the times when I'm doing that, right, even though I may have notes, which I actually don't have a lot of notes when I'm doing presentations now, which is very strange. Not strange, but not strange, because I understand why. I know the big points that I'm going to make, but when I'm in front of an audience, I'm literally feeling their energy and I'm feeling their heart, and oftentimes they come back to me and they say, that's exactly what I needed to hear. Why? Because it wasn't some calculated, like on paper thing, but it was an energetic exchange, right? And so I received the energy into my gut and really transmute and move that energy into my heart. And then when I'm speaking, that energy is going from my heart to them, and then we are circulating energy like this, right? And it creates a deep connection, really deep connection between you and your audience, you and the people who are in front of you, right? I'm pretty sure it is very likely that you've never heard about public speaking this way, or maybe you have, but I know for me it's been life-changing. It's changed everything. It's changed everything when I know that the power is always within me. Yes, we can prepare. Yes, we can know these are the bigger points that we are going to make, right? And sometimes, yes, there are details that we need to have, but when we go from the perspective of, yes, there are my notes, but I am here to share energy, to exchange energy, right, with the people that are in front of me, it changes everything. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. Make a comment below, share with me what experiences you've had around public speaking, and make sure that you share this video with people so that we share this new world, right? This new era that we all want to enter into, the era of energy, the era of spirituality, the era of, a different kind of, paradigm, a different kind of, but more like oneness with all, reality for all of us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.